Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Hadron Skill Center near Fountain Chowk, Yamuna. Our center code is 034. I am Ankit Sharma. Students, from today we are discussing a very new topic, that is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking. So most people have that notation. The term hacking is used as an illegal purposes, like topics related to cyber crimes or computer related crimes. Before discussing about ethical hacking, let us start with what is hacking. Hacking is not like what we have been listened, that it is related only to the cyber crimes or computer related crimes, and hacking is done for crime only. The thing is, it is used as, or it might called as, a science and art to find solutions for real life problems. The term hacking is not directly related to computer science or any science or computer geeks, but it is used in computers. So now hacking is done by hackers. So who are hackers are today's topic. Who are hackers? What are the type of hackers and their descriptions? So who are hackers? The term hacker are those people who are like tinker with software or any system, electronic items. They also enjoy exploring how any system operates and discovering various to deal with mechanically, technically and electronically. In short, hackers are developers who provide real-time solutions and think beyond boundaries. They are not cyber criminals. What they do, they are developers. They used to operate systems, electronic items, softwares, mechanically, technically, or electronically, and they are developers who provide real-time solutions to the users, to the persons who need that kind of solutions, and think beyond the boundaries. They are called hackers. So, what are the type of hackers now? Type of hackers. In computer science, hackers are classified into 7 different types. There are 7 types of hackers. White hat hackers. Next comes is black hat hackers. Next comes script kiddies, grey hat hackers, hired hackers, spy hackers, and last one is elite hackers. Now comes to white hat hackers. White hat hackers. So these are the people of right thinking that are computer security experts. It means they who are experts in penetration testings and other methods to ensure that information of a company or organizations is safe. These IT security professionals are depend on the defending technologies, defending systems, and the technology to fight against criminally minded hackers. So this is the working of white hat hackers. They are just there to penetrate their testings and to ensure that any information or data of any organization, firm, or personal computer is safe or not. Next comes is black hat hackers. So these are the people of wrong or criminal thinkings. This term is often used for hackers who break into networks or computers or create computer viruses. So black hat hackers technologically tries to outpace white hats. They usually manage to find human errors and make in use to steal data or information of any organizations. Okay, by attacking beyond the systems, beyond the boundaries, they come with new attacking types every time, and cracks or crackers refers to black hat hackers. These hackers can attempt to steal money from your bank by gaining access to your computer or fetching your passwords for online banking. They can spam your emails using your servers or random email addresses or specific brands promotions. These hackers can also access your computer and compromise your private data and can even sell them. A hacker is a man behind the computer who focuses on vulnerability in computers or networks and breaks into it. So white hat hackers are pure intention hackers and black hat hackers are criminal type hackers. Next comes the script kiddies. So, what are script kiddies? It is derogatory terms for black hat hackers. These people don't have strong knowledge of hacking, as black hat hackers have a strong knowledge of hacking. So, script kiddies use ready-made tools created by developed by the hackers to break into a computer or a network. These type of hackers have very little knowledge about programming and perform hacking for fun, fame, and entertainment only. So script kiddies are like they are not professionally trained. They just used to try and they try tools which are being made by hackers. Next comes is grey hat hackers. Grey hat hackers have both qualities of white hat and black hat. They surf the internet and look for vulnerable systems into computers and phone systems. After finding that vulnerability, they hack into it and they also inform the system administrator that how they have done it and charge a small fee for detecting and fix the vulnerability. That's why they are white hat hackers too, but they do it all without any permission from the owner of the website, computer or network. This way they are black hat. So grey hat hackers, so they are both the mixture of white hat as well as black hat. Next comes is hired hackers. Controlling the cyberspace and defending nations about cyber warfare and remains the prime motto. State-sponsored hackers have limitless time and funding to target civilians, corporations, and governments. They are hired hackers who control all these things, cyberspaces, and the funding of that corporation under the government or limitless timings. Okay. Next comes is spy. Spy hackers. Spy hackers. Many corporations hire hackers to infiltrate the competition, trading, and business secrets. Those hackers may hack from the outside or gain employment to act as mole. So, spy hackers may use similar tactics as hacktivities, but their only agenda is to serve their client's goal and get paid. So, they are called spy hackers. Our last comes is elite hackers. They are treated as the master of all hackers. They are the masters of white hat, black hat, script kiddies, grey hat, and spy hackers, as they are the master of all hackers. They have goof fame and reputation among other hackers, as we have reputed older people in our society. The same kind, elite hackers are being reputed by all the other hackers. Elites are senior level hackers in hacking communities and hacker communities. They are known as hacking gurus or masters of hacking and deception. So in today's lecture, we have discussed about what is hacking, After that, we have discussed who are hackers. They are developers. After that, I have discussed about types of hackers, white hat, black hat, all these hackers. So in today's lecture, this is being described. In tomorrow's lecture, we'll be discussing about the information gathering technique, how information is being gathered by the hackers. After that, we'll be reading in this information gathering techniques, we'll be going through the footprinting scanning techniques. After that, social engineering topic will come. After that, physical security, system hacking, phishing, rootkits, bootnets, or darknets. So these are your topics of ethical hacking. We'll be working on it for 1 week, around 1 week to 10 days. Okay, so it is not a big topic, it is not a big lecture. This contains around 10 to 12 days only, and it is very interesting. So please go through it and learn how hacking is being discussed. And I have also discussed about the cyber security in my lectures. To go through all the techniques which have been done. Thank you, students.